Welcome to Dialysis Center Maintenance, your premier partner for biomedical equipment maintenance in dialysis centers. Let me tell you about our expertise. We are the team of expert technicians specializes in all brands of dialysis machines, biomedical equipment, and water purification systems, ensuring that your equipment is operating safely and efficiently. We offer a comprehensive range of services, including medical equipment repair, installation, calibration, preventive maintenance, and electrical safety inspections. At Dialysis Center Maintenance, we understand the critical importance of reliable medical equipment in the dialysis process. That's why we offer customized preventive maintenance plans to minimize downtime and extend the lifespan of your equipment. Our team works closely with leading brands in the industry to provide the most effective solutions for your dialysis equipment and support systems. In addition to our standard services, we also perform annual testing and recertification of isolated power systems and line isolation monitors. These services are essential for the safety of your patients and staff, and we take them very seriously. We are proud to perform medical device field service operations on behalf of medical equipment manufacturers specializing in dialysis equipment and support systems. Our team is available 24/7 to provide emergency services, and we offer national service coverage to ensure that you receive the same high-quality service no matter where your dialysis center is located. So if you're in need for choosing a reliable partner to help you maintain your dialysis equipment, look no further than Dialysis Center Maintenance. Contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can help you meet your maintenance needs.